So there's a thing that I want to show you, which I call the odometer method of understanding base numerals. Uh, you say base, that means how many numbers you're working with, and everything everybody learns is about base 10, and that means that there's 10 choices for the numbers. That means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. That's 10 choices. Or you can say 0 through 9 if you want to think of it that way. There's 10 choices. For about 50 years or so, something like that, we've been using base 2, which people use this all the time. They say ones and zeros. We've been using ones and zeros for a long time, quite a while now, and all this computer well, you know all about it. Base 2 it's called, and it's been used a lot. So what does this mean then? And what am I talking about? The odometer method of understanding this. So if you've had a vehicle before, or if you've driven, basically on your dashboard you have a window you're looking through with various numbers sticking out like this, and you're looking through here, and these numbers change, and they tell you how many miles you've gone. And as you go one more mile, and it changes. Now I've gone this many miles. You go one more mile, and changes again. So what's happening here? Well, inside the dashboard, there are wheels like this. And it turns, rotates, has the numbers all the way around the wheel. And when you go one more mile, then the wheel turns and it puts the next larger number in there. And there's multiple wheels like this. And then you've got the window that you're looking through. So you've got 6 on the wheel here, and then 7 in the window, and then 8 above. And then you've got 0, 6, 4, and you've got 9 down here, 1 up here, and so this wheel is spinning like this, and each time this wheel hits the top, hits 9, and then of course what happens when you count numbers, when this wheel hits the top number, then it turns the next one. And once both of these hit the top number, if these were both 9s, and then it's going to turn this wheel. And then once they're all 9s, then it turns the next wheel. So basically, the number of choices that you have, there's 10 choices in base 10, base 2, ones and zeros, with only 2 choices. The top number of the wheel is 1. So if we were to try to count in base 2, we would go like this. There's 0. There's 1. That's the top number. Now it spins the next one over. That's 2. And now that's not the top number, so we're going to go up one again. That's 3. Now both of those are topped out, so it turns the next one. So if you picture an odometer spinning like that, I find it helpful for how to understand base number systems. We usually use base 10. That means there's 10 choices. And base 2 is 2 choices, ones and zeros. And we've been using this system for a long time. And people always kind of hear it and don't really know what it means, how it works. But that's what I call the odometer method. And I didn't learn that from anywhere. I just thought of what's a good way to explain it. And I think looking at it in terms of an odometer is helpful. Maybe it'll be helpful to you.